identify the number which you have to represent. Suppose you need to represent root 10. Okay, if you need to represent root 10, identify where 10 is. 10 lies between 9 and 16. That is, 10 lies between 3 square and 4 square, right? 10 is a value between 3 square and 4 square. So, root 10 will lie between 3 and 4. Okay, so what you will do is, you will take the base of this construction as 3, fine, the height as 1, you get the hypotenuse. The length of the hypotenuse will be root of 3 square plus 1 square, right? Root of 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. So, root of 10 is the length of the hypotenuse. Using your protractor, compass, cut an arc so that you identify root 10 on the number line. Once you have got root 10, if you need root 11, again 11 is a value between 3 square and 4 square, right? So 11 should also have the base 3. So to get 11, you need to get 10 first. Taking root 10 as base and height as 1, construct a right triangle, draw the diagonal. Okay, now not diagonal, draw the hypotenuse, and then the length of the hypotenuse, use it on your compass to cut an arc and obtain the value or obtain the point on the number line. Now what will be this value? This is 10, root 10 square is 10, 1 square is 1, 10 plus 1 is 11. So the length of the hypotenuse is root 11. If the length of the hypotenuse is root 11, this becomes the radius of the arc. So this again, the second point is the radius of the arc. So this point is also representing root 11. Now if you need root 12, if you need root 13, you have to first construct root 12. So how do you construct root 12? You have to now again go for drawing a perpendicular here like this, taking just 1 unit. Here 1 unit I have taken as 2 centimeters, and you locate that point, identify that point, draw the hypotenuse of the triangle, connect this, and now you cut your arc. That arc, the length of that arc, which arc? The length of this arc, where it intersects the number line, will represent root 10. Now if you construct one more perpendicular here and get the hypotenuse, you get the point on the number line, which is root 13. Fine. Now to the next one is root of. Now what will you do for root 17 if there is root 17? 17 is a value which lies between 4 square and 5 square, right? 4 square and 5 square. So your base has to be 4 units. Your base has to be 4 units. You draw a perpendicular here. So this will be 4 square is 16 plus 1 17. The hypotenuse will be 17. So for root 17, root 18, root 19, root 20, your base will be 4 units. Fine. Now for root of 26, what I have done is, I have taken the unit of the base as 1 centimeter, otherwise it will be too long. So I have taken 5 at the base, 1 as the perpendicular, 5 square is 25, 1 square is 1, 25 plus 1 is root 26. Now when you use root 26 and 1, you get root 27. Again 27 and 1, you get root 28, root 29. So now for root 37, do with base 6. Okay.